In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start a Wix website and pick a template. We'll move through the process together so you know exactly what to click, what to expect, and how to make confident choices along the way. First, head over to the Wix website in your browser. Once the homepage loads, look for the Get Started button and click it. This brings you into the setup flow where Wix helps you begin your site. On the next screen, choose Continue with Google. This option securely signs you in using your Google account, so you don't have to create a separate password. If you're prompted to select an account, pick the one you want associated with your website. After you click, give it a moment to load. Don't worry if you see a brief spinning icon or a transition screen. That's normal as Wix prepares your workspace. When the editor flow opens, you'll be offered two ways to begin: Start Chat or create it manually. Start Chat uses Wix's guided chat to ask about your goals, your industry, and the features you might need. It's helpful if you want a quick head start with personalized suggestions. Create it manually gives you full control from the outset if you prefer to build things step by step. There's no wrong choice here. Pick the approach that matches your comfort level and how much guidance you want up front. Next, look to the right side of the screen and click Design Site. This takes you to the creative part of the setup, where you shape the look and feel of your site. Here, you can either choose a ready-made template or generate a design. Choosing a template is great if you want a professional layout right away, tailored to common site types like portfolios, online stores, or blogs. Generating a design can be useful if you want something built around your answers and style preferences. If you're going the template route, click Pick a Template. Take a moment to scan through categories that fit your project and imagine how your own content will sit in the layout. Think about your brand's tone, the kind of imagery you'll use, and how visitors should navigate. A clean, easy-to-read structure usually works best, especially if you're just starting out. Once you've selected Pick a Template, Wix will load your choice into the editor so you can proceed with customizing text, images, and colors. That's it for this setup stage. You've successfully moved from the Wix homepage to choosing the design foundation for your site, setting yourself up for a smooth build.